All right, watching the NQ. Shorted the NQ. +5 on the NQ. Look at this nice strong push up here. Overbought. Speed tick slammed into that line, opened just below the line, but it still would have qualified for a rock star even if it was on the line because it pushed up this high of the day. So it was right there with this line and the high of the day. Opened right under that line, just barely, with a rock star, and down it goes. That's about as pretty as it gets right there. We'll do that all day, every day.